She's still clicking my picture. She's obsessed with me. And as usual, Mridhangi woke up late, so we are. Hey you guys, this is Mansi. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. Today is going to be another vlog. Today I'm going to share with you how I take photos and how we click pictures in general. And by we, I mean I have Mridhangi with me. Where is she? Say hi. Okay, so this is all the pasara that you see over here. It's all the mess because we just tried out some clothes and we were styling them, and tomorrow is the shoot. So now we just washed our hair and now we are gonna go and do our skincare routine, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We are gonna take you guys along in the process, so I hope you guys will enjoy. So as you guys can see, the background is clear and we have cleared the mess.
इतनी खुशी मुझे।
So this is the current skincare brand that I'm using. It is Inveda and it's their anti-pigmentation kit. This brand is 100% organic and natural, which I really appreciate. This is the first thing that we have in here. It's their depigmentation kit, and look at the packaging. It's so Indian. I really like it. The next thing that we have is this face wash. It's their neem purifying face wash and it's for normal to oily skin. Next up we have this blend. It's an oil. It's their anti-pigmentation blend, which is infused with rosemary and bergamot oil, which is really helpful in getting rid of scars and spot treatment. Next product that we have is a sunscreen. It has 30 plus SPF, and yeah, it is for all skin types. So right now I'm gonna do my skincare routine, and this is the new brand that I'm currently using. It's Inveda, and I am not getting paid to say anything about this brand. This video is not at all sponsored. It's just because I have been trying this brand since past 3 to 4 weeks, and I think they are worth giving a shout out and they are worth featuring in my video. So Mridhangi is also joining us into the skincare routine, and we are gonna apply 4 products. The first thing we are gonna apply is this cream. It is their depigmentation cream, and yeah, so you have to apply this cream all over your face, but do not forget to focus more on the areas where you need spot treatment or something like that. So you need generous amount of this cream, and yeah, let's move on to the second step. थोड़ा तो tingling effect है थोड़ा. So after applying this cream, you will feel a little bit of tingling effect, but that's pretty much okay. So in the next step we are using this oil. It's their anti-pigmentation blend, which has rosemary and bergamot oil, which is very useful in spot treatment, in controlling the oil production, and basically in clearing your dark spots. So this is how you use it. You just press it over here and then you just apply it on your skin, and yeah. One difference that I have seen is that after using this, my makeup looks very glowy and dewy. So if I am doing the same skincare routine in the morning, I use a layer of SPF. It's their sunscreen for all skin type, which has 30 SPF and which is very good which is very good. It has this milk like consistency. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. This is how it looks like, and now I'm not gonna let it go to waste, so I'm gonna apply it on my hands, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now that we are all done with our skincare, we are gonna go and do some editing work. She's here to learn some editing stuff, although I'm not that great at editing, But yeah, we are gonna go and do some editing work, and then we are hopefully going to sleep early because tomorrow is a big day. I have to film this vlog and also, you know, film the outfits. So yeah, let's go ahead and get rolling.
If you are seeing this face for the first time, please just go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Very bad. Very bad.
Good morning, you guys. We woke up, and as usual, Mrudangi woke up late, so we are already late. And we had our chai, and now we are gonna go and do the makeup. Okay, to get rid of the excess hair over here and on the upper lips, I'm going to use this razor. It's from Amazon. It came in the pack of 3, and yeah, it comes with a cape, so it's all safe and, you know, hygienic. My skin is prepped. First up, I'm gonna use this primer. Okay guys, the next step is to use foundation and ignore the background noise. Mrudangi is washing her face. She has to do everything when I'm filming video. I make sure to use less foundation so that my base is not cakey, and I do not like a lot of foundation on my face. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and blend it all into the skin. Thank you so much. Okay, now that we have our hair away from the face, I'm gonna go and use a concealer. This is the new concealer that I'm trying. It's from Swiss Beauty. I saw Shivani Taneja recommend this, so I bought it and it's quite good. I'm gonna take Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm gonna just apply it all over my face. Where's my lens, baby? Where is my lens? Okay, now I'm just gonna define my eyes a little bit. And yeah, I'm just gonna use some basic colors. I'm gonna use my all-time favorite palette, which is NYX. I recently bought another one and that has very, you know, matte and colorful colors, and I really like that too. But today I'm not feeling that kind of a look, like colorful and everything, so I'm just gonna stick to basic. Now I'm gonna do my blush. This is my favorite part of makeup. I'm using this Dear Darling tint from Etude House, and this is my recent purchase. I love it. Yeah, that's it, you guys. Let me know how do you like my look. Oh, I also forgot my highlighter. Oh my god, my makeup is never ending. Okay, so right now I'm trying to figure out the jewelries and I'm thinking of this one, but then I also think that it won't look that prominent into the camera. So I am thinking of considering this one too. I don't know. Okay, this one maybe. This one or this one? So this is our outfit. I wore this bell-bottom jeans. She wore a skirt. I am all dressed casual and she's dressed up a little bit girly. And yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so the first outfit is done and some pictures turned out really nice, and let me show you. So these are all the pictures. Zoom in. Yay, I really like this one. And this. So many pictures. So now we are gonna go change the outfit, and she's still clicking my picture. She's obsessed with me, I tell you guys. Hey you guys, we have reached the location that we planned before. It was very crowded because it's 11 right now, and we anticipated that we will reach there by 9:30, but we got late. So we are gonna shoot the outfits over here. It's very rustic kind of location, but it doesn't have crowd, so we don't want to feel embarrassed. That's why we are over here, and I am wearing a blazer and a plaid skirt, and Ridangi is wearing shorts and a sweater, and I'm gonna show you all in a bit, so let's go. Hey guys, so this is the last location. We are on terrace. This is our third outfit. We are just gonna film a reel and some photos. It's just for fun. So yeah, we are very hungry. So after this photo shoot is done, we are gonna go downstairs and hog on to a lot of food. But yeah, let's go ahead and start shooting. Comes with two other blazers. Wow, such a steel razor joda blazer. So to get rid of the shut up. Okay, so to get rid of the eyebrow hair, pura eyebrow hair, really,